Hello silly bakers, let's make this veggie protein baked oatmeal. First, let's grease a 9x9 baking dish. This is a ceramic baking dish. We will need a large bowl. And let's start with the wet ingredients. We're going to need 2 large eggs, half a cup of applesauce, 1 cup of milk, any milk, this is soy milk, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, you can sweeten this however you like, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of melted butter or coconut oil would work too. And we're just going to give the wet ingredients a whisk. We are now going to add 1 cup of grated carrot and 1 cup of grated zucchini. The zucchini, I did remove the moisture because we don't want to make this batter too wet. And we're just going to mix that into the wet ingredients. If you just want to solely make this with just zucchini, you can do that, or just grated carrot, that would work too. We're using 1 1/4 cups of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of hemp seeds, 1/4 cup of ground flax, 1/4 cup of protein powder, or you can use almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and we're going to use some spices here. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of allspice, or you can use more cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The spices are customizable, guys, so use whatever you like. And I gave everything a nice mix, and I'm going to add about 1/4 cup to 1/3 of a cup of chopped walnuts. You can use pecans also. We're just going to mix everything through. I added my batter to my baking dish, and we're just going to spread it out in a nice even layer. We're going to bake this at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes or so. Enjoy our veggie protein baked oatmeal. This recipe makes 4 to 6 servings. The nutrition that I have provided is based on 4 servings. Each serving is about 20 grams of protein and fiber 10 grams. I've also included a yogurt glaze that you can use along with the recipe, or you could just serve this with a big dollop of your favorite Greek yogurt. Enjoy.